Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming accounts and updates. Sign into your YouTube Google account on both your PS5 and your mobile device. This ensures they can pair securely. Once done, make sure the PS5 system software and the YouTube app are up to date so features match. Connect the console to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet and enable the Meteor remote option in settings. These steps prevent pairing errors and prepare both devices to discover each other instantly. Now you perform the actual pairing. On the PS5, open the YouTube app and navigate to Settings, then select Link with TV code to display a short numeric code. This code confirms device identity. Next, on your phone, open YouTube, tap Settings, then Watch on TV and enter the code exactly as shown. Make sure you verify the account shown on both devices and accept the pairing prompt when it appears. This code method is secure and avoids Bluetooth issues. Finish by testing playback. Tap the cast icon on your phone while a video plays and select the PS5. You should see the video start on the console. If it does not, restart your router, phone, and PS5 and confirm both devices are on the same network because cross-network prevents discovery. Once restarted, try again. If problems persist, switch to a wired Ethernet connection or sign out and back into your Google account on both devices to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.